Guys, I was swinging on my swings, and now I see a bird on my fence. Cutie. Oh, just flew away. Like, and comment on this. That bird was so cute. If you saw the bird, which probably. So I was swinging on my swing right here next to my tree house, and I was swinging. I did a few jumps, and then I saw the bird, and there it is again. So there it is, the birdie again. It's on the fence. Our birds aren't usually on the fence, but yeah, my nonnie doesn't have only with electronics. But yeah, so I was swinging on my swing set. There's my cute dog Bonnie. So that's my cute dog Bonnie. She hurts me a lot. Oh my gosh! Triple birds! Oh my gosh, one bird left. It's the closest I got. This is the closest. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, I can't even finish the story. So I was swinging on my swinging, jumped off a few times, and then I saw a bird on my tail. So I was like, oh, I might as well get my camera out. And now I just saw 3 birds, in all 5 birds. So yeah, that is a video of my cute dog Bonnie and some birds on the fence. Like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Almost step your poop, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.